I'm going to show you how you can give someone editor permissions on your YouTube channel in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So the process is very simple. As you can see, I'm at my YouTube channel right here, and all you need to do is go to YouTube Studio, then go to Settings, and right here you will see Permissions, where you can see I'm the only one that has permissions for my YouTube channel. But if you want to give permissions to someone else, you need to click right here on invite and enter their email address and the type of permission you want to give him. So in this case it will be editor, but you can do manager or some more roles. In this case, if you want to invite an editor, they will be able to view everything, go live, create and edit content, but they won't be able to manage permissions or delete content. So just click here, and as you can see, invitations will be sent by email and will expire after a month. So after you click on done, the person of this email address will get an invitation, and they will need to accept that invitation to get the permissions for your YouTube channel. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.